students. I hope that you are doing well. All right, so today we are going to continue our lesson from 3B. Okay, so last week, if you were in my Zoom meeting, we talked about the word pessimist, right? And a pessimist we talked about is a negative person, a person that sees all the bad things in every situation. They always think something bad is going to happen. So remember this example. We're having the party in the garden. And the pessimist, they would say, it'll rain. So they just think something bad is going to happen. Today, we are going to talk about another word, and it's the opposite. So the opposite of a pessimist is right here, is an optimist. Optimist. Okay? And an optimist is a person that always thinks about the good things that are going to happen. They're a positive thinker. So maybe for that person talking about their party, the optimist, maybe they would say, oh, it should be a beautiful day. They're going to say something positive instead of something negative. So today we are going to do a listening activity together that talks about being positive in our thinking. And I think this is a good time to do a lesson like this just because there's so much negativity in our world right now. So I think it's a good time to talk about how to think more positively. So we're going to actually go ahead and it says, listen to the introduction to a radio program. Why is positive thinking good for you? So together, we're actually going to listen to this radio program, just the introduction, and listen to why is positive thinking good for us. So see if you can listen to this.
3.7. Today's topic is positive thinking. We all know that people who are positive enjoy life more than people who are negative and pessimistic. But scientific studies show that positive people are also healthier, get better more quickly when they are ill, and live longer. A recent study shows that people who are optimistic and think positively live on average 9 years longer than pessimistic people who think negatively. So let's hear what you, the listeners, think. Do you have any tips to help us be more positive in our lives?
All right. So that was just the introduction, right, to the radio show. So this question here, it says, why is positive thinking good for you? Why is it good for you? So I want you to think about that question. You can go back and listen to the listening again if you want to. And this question is going to be part of your homework. Why is it good for you? All right. Remember, if you answer a question like this, you're going to want to say something like positive. Oops, that's kind of big. Let's do it smaller. Positive thinking is good for you because that's your sentence frame there. Okay? We're going to use the word because why is for reasons. Okay, so make sure you answer that question as part of your assignment. All right. Next, it says, try to guess the missing words in these tips. So before you listen to the next video, try to guess what the missing words are. All right. So this first one, caller 1, says, live in the not in the So you can write